This time I'm going to show you how to convert grams to moles. The problem I'm doing is number 27B on page 186 of your text. And what they're asking, I'm given 0.000264 grams of lithium hydrogen phosphate. Not sure what happened right there. Do that again. PO4. Okay? So the first thing I got to do is I got to figure out, since I'm going from grams to moles, my conversion is going to look like this. It's going to say, okay, for every 1 mole, what is the gram formula mass? Well, the first thing I got to do is I got to figure out this gram formula mass. Now I'm going to have 2 lithiums, and each lithium weighs 7 grams per mole. So that's going to equal 14 grams per mole. I'm also going to have 1 hydrogen, and hydrogen weighs 1 gram per mole, so that'll simply be 1 gram per mole. I'm going to have 1 phosphorus, and each phosphorus weighs 31 grams per mole, so that'll be 31 grams per mole for the phosphorus. And I'm going to have 4 oxygens. Each oxygen is 16 grams apiece, so that's going to add up to be 64 grams per mole. I add the whole thing up, and I end up with a formula mass of 110 grams per mole. Well, that is what I'm going to use right for there. So now to solve this problem, okay, let me get this out of there so I got room to do it. I'm going to take and multiply that times this conversion factor, which is for every 1 mole of lithium hydrogen phosphate, it's going to be 110 grams. So mathematically, I take 0.000264, multiply it by 1, divide it by 110, and what I'll end up with is an answer of 2.40 times, I'll run out of room, 10 to the negative 6th minus 6th moles. Okay? So 2.40 times 10 to the minus 6 moles of lithium hydrogen phosphate are equal to 0.00264. I hope I didn't mess up by having this sitting there. Okay?